How to set up a simple or very complex retail or restaurant menu. As of Ebmbook Pro POS 2.0, advanced menu options were added in order to fulfill your needs. To update an existing item with advanced options, click the dual-sided arrow icon of an item. The product management window will show up. Then, click the Default Items Modifiers button. What you see are custom modifiers already entered based on this business needs. The Ebmbook Pro POS 2.0 has built-in AI. The AI auto-generates groups, subgroups, and even more deeper subgroups. As soon as you start typing a group name, the POS AI generates hints based on your previously entered groups and subgroups. The MOD option on the right of the drop-down list indicates that this modifier is a fixed modifier added by you through the settings screen. Once the group options appeared, you see a set of fields. Most of these fields are self-explanatory. Minimum rule field indicates how many of the following options can be selected during taking order. For example, minimum toppings allowed to select. The maximum rule indicates what is the maximum options allowed to choose from. For example, during ordering this item, you should only select no more than X amount of toppings. Now, let me demonstrate how to create another group, but this time it will be a group with subgroups. Again, you may choose to select a group from the auto-generated drop-down list, or simply create one from scratch. In this example, assume you have choices to select from, in terms of drink option. In order to add various drinks, click the Subgroups button. Leave the price being 0, this means that each drink will have its own price. Again, for the minimum and maximum rules, you may only choose the minimum and maximum options allowed to choose from. For example, if you only allow one option to pick from, then, make the minimum field being 1 and maximum field also 1. For all of these drinks to be optional, leave the minimum and maximum empty. Then, click the Save button at the top left corner of this subgroup window. Finally, save the parent groups too by clicking the Save button. Follow the same procedure for your other items too. And remember, this process only applies for advanced items. For simple products, you do not need advanced feature. Now, let's see the result of this product's advanced setup. In our example, the toppings group is compulsory group, whereas the meal option is the optional group. From the compulsory list, if you do not select option or options according to the rules setup, you won't be able to add the item to the cart.
Click OK.
Thanks for watching. Check part 2 for further features added in Ebmbook Pro 2.0. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.